Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hello, my name is EnadoDev, and this video I'm going to be introducing you to Unreal Engine 4. Now, if you don't know what Unreal Engine 4 is, it's basically a 3D and 2D game engine which has, well, Unreal features. No, I'm not saying Unreal features as in like the actual title Unreal features, but it has Unreal features as in like it has amazing, and I mean amazing, features included in the engine. So, if you don't know how to download it or install it or whatever, go to epicgames.com, like in the web address or on Google or whatever, and then go to Unreal Engine 4 over here. It will take time because I've got something else open. Now, once you're on this page, you can either go over to here to get Unreal Engine, or you can get over to here and click it. It will ask you to register for an Epic Games account. If you already have one, then you can just easily sign in. But if you haven't signed up yet, then just sign up here and stuff. Sign in over here, and then once you've signed in, there something else will come up, and it will say like download Mac OS edition or Windows edition or something like that. I don't know, but if it says Windows, just download that one. If it says Mac, then download your one, whichever one that you want. Once you've installed that, this should be like. This should appear, but basically once you've installed it, like the Epic Games launcher, it is the Epic Games launcher, it's not Unreal Engine 4 yet. Once you've installed the Epic Games launcher, it should like come down here if you've installed it on desktop or whatever. You just install it from there, and then it should say like updating launcher and stuff like that. Then it should come up as like a sign-in thing, same as over here. It should come up as a sign-in thing. Once you've signed in, it will come up with this, like what it has on this page here. If this appears, then just easily go over to Unreal Engine, and then it says launch Unreal Engine 4.9.2. I have the latest version. I don't know what is the latest version at the moment, but I have the latest version. And easily you just click launch, or you could just like go down to the arrow and click it, but yeah. Once you've launched it, it will come up with this Unreal Project Browser. Now I have 3 projects that I've created. This one I've used to add in what I've learned. So like what I've learned, I've put in. I don't know if that makes any sense, but whatever. This is just like a project that I downloaded off of the internet, which is to do with like FNAF stuff and whatnot. And this one I created so that I can give tutorials for you. But if you want to create a new project, then easily just go to New Project and click on any of these. You can read the descriptions like down here. So yeah, like you can see first person right there. The first person template features a player character. You can read all of that, and 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 that. But for today, for this tutorial, we are going to be going over to the third person. So as you can see, the third person right there, and we are going to start with starter content actually. Although, actually, yeah, we are going to start with starter content. And if you want to put the name of your project, then easily just rename this to like my horror game. You cannot put spaces. I don't know why, but you just can't put spaces in like names, because if you try, see, cannot contain a space. So then you just then click create project, but I've already created mine, which is over here, tutorials, so I can just easily open this up. Also, just to let you know, guys, that like if this screen does not come up when you're loading into Unreal Engine, then we probably have a problem. But if it does load up, then yeah, it loads up this. So then you can just like move around it. You can look around. You can select objects in the game, like for example this one over here. You can select that. You can delete that if you want. Yeah, like that. You can look around or rotate with the with right click and move it around, and with right click and W you can actually move around as well, just like this. You can move around. So yeah, as you can see, that's my character. Now if you left click and hold down W, you actually like move around in like one line. You can't look up, or you can look up. Well, if you do left click, but if you move your mouse up and down, it moves you forward and backward. But if you just do left click and leave your mouse alone, but you hold down W, then you actually go down. So that's actually kind of a little bit confusing, but it's not really that confusing. And also, if you want to do, if you want to like go down, up, left, right, I don't know why you would, then you can just easily just use the middle click. I don't know if you call it that, middle click on your mouse. If you don't have that, then we'll probably have another problem. But anyways, yeah. I'm just showing you like the features of Unreal Engine 4. Over here you have the world outliner. Basically the world outliner shows like whatever is in this world, whatever you can see in this world is actually in here. So let's just click on this person right here, and look, it gets highlighted right here, see? If we click on, let's say the stairs over here, see, it gets highlighted here. This one over here, highlighted. This one over here, highlighted. And if we click here on the sky, that also gets highlighted. So basically, anything you can see in the viewport, because Unreal Engine 4 uses the name as viewport in the editor. So whatever you see in here, whatever you see in the viewport, is actually in here as well. And also, if you click on one of them, let's say Cube Mesh, yeah, and the details are right here. Yeah, so the details are right here. So if you want to like move the Cube Mesh wherever, yeah, that, you can also use the arrows to move it. So if you click on it and click on over here, and you can just like simply drag this over here and there and wherever. You can even scale it like this. Oh my god, it's bloody big as hell. You can scale it like individually from each side like this, as you can see, from here and also from here, and also you can also rotate it that way, and of course that way. So that's basically it. So I don't know what all of this is, but yeah. So now let's just get into the game. So as you can see, we have our third-person character, and I am using the W key to move around, and the mouse to look around as well. And if you press space, you can even jump. You can't run yet. I will teach you how to do the run soon. But I don't know what's happened to the lighting. Don't know why that does it. It always does it. But this is our third-person character, everybody. So yeah, I hope you've learned how to use Unreal Engine for a little bit. So also, if you wanna play what you've like done, so like if you've like added in stuff into the viewport and you want to play with what you've done, then easily just click play, or you could do this, go over to the arrow here and then click on new editor window, and that brings up this new window editor. And then we can just easily just do this and blah 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 blah. But if you want to like quickly quit the game, then just press escape, and there we go. So that's it for today, everybody. I hope you have all enjoyed this video, and I hope this helped you like get a little bit of an understanding of Unreal Engine. One more thing, the content browser. Now, I don't know really how to explain the content browser, but this is where your assets are stored. Not necessarily your like objects, but your assets. So like textures, materials, props, maps, levels, whatever. This is where they are all stored. Oh yeah, and even audio. So that is it for it, and that is it, everybody. Hope this helped, and see you all later.